Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing a common issue that many of you may have encountered when trying to move large files from WebDav to SharePoint 2016. If you're involved in managing or administering SharePoint sites, you know how frustrating it can be to deal with file transfer errors, especially when working with large files. In this video, we'll break down the possible causes of these errors and provide a step-by-step explanation of how to troubleshoot and resolve them. We'll start by understanding what WebDav is and how it interacts with SharePoint 2016. We'll then dive into the common issues that can cause file transfer errors, including configuration problems, network connectivity issues, and limitations in SharePoint's handling of large files. By the end of this video, you should have a clear understanding of the potential causes of these errors and be equipped to troubleshoot and resolve them. To start with, let's understand what WebDav is and how it works with SharePoint 2016. WebDav, or web-based distributed authoring and versioning, is a set of extensions to the HTTP protocol that allows users to collaboratively edit and manage files on remote web servers. In the context of SharePoint 2016, WebDav enables users to access and manipulate files stored in SharePoint document libraries using standard file system protocols. When you try to move large files from WebDav to SharePoint 2016, there are several potential issues that can cause errors. One common problem is configuration issues related to the WebDav client or server setting. For example, if the WebDav client is not configured correctly, it may not be able to authenticate with the SharePoint server, resulting in a file transfer error. Another issue that can cause problems is network connectivity. If there are network connectivity issues, such as slow upload speeds or dropped connections, this can cause file transfers to fail. Additionally, SharePoint 2016 has limitations when handling large files, including maximum file size limits and timeouts for file upload. To troubleshoot these errors, you'll need to start by checking the WebDav client and server settings to ensure that they are configured correctly. This includes verifying authentication settings, ensuring that the correct ports are open, and checking that the WebDav client is up to date. Next, you should check network connectivity to ensure that there are no issues with upload speeds or dropped connections. You can use tools such as ping and traceroute to diagnose network connectivity problems. Finally, you should check SharePoint 2016 settings related to large file handling, including maximum file size limits and timeouts for file uploads. If necessary, you may need to adjust these settings to accommodate the transfer of larger files. In summary, when moving large files from WebDav to SharePoint 2016, there are several potential issues that can cause errors. These include configuration problems related to the WebDav client or server settings, network connectivity issues and limitations in SharePoint's handling of large files. To troubleshoot these errors, you should start by checking WebDav client and server settings, followed by a check of network connectivity. Finally, you should verify SharePoint 2016 settings related to large file handling, including maximum file size limits and timeouts for file upload. Thank you for watching this video on troubleshooting common issues when moving large files from WebDav to SharePoint 2016. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content related to SharePoint administration and management. If you're experiencing file transfer errors with your SharePoint site, we encourage you to try out the troubleshooting steps outlined in this video. Remember to also check out other videos on our channel that cover related topics, such as optimizing SharePoint performance and managing large files in SharePoint document libraries. By engaging with our content, you'll be better equipped to manage and administer your SharePoint sites effectively, ensuring a seamless user experience for all stakeholders involved.